A content block must have at least one segment, but you have the flexibility to create as many segments as you desire. When a content block contains multiple segments, the platform evaluates the validity of each segment and randomly selects one among the valid segments to ensure variability in the generated content narratives. Invalid segments occur when the data used within a segment is invalid. For instance, consider the following segment. In this scenario, if the hashtag population data is not set as mandatory in the dataset, it is possible to upload a dataset where the hashtag population field is empty. Consequently, the segment may be considered invalid as it attempts to utilize an empty value. This occurs because the necessary data required to render the segment's output, specifically the hashtag population data, is not available. Editing the segment is simple. Write and format the desired text within the segment, crafting it to how you like it. Then integrate data and AI recipes within the segment to enhance the content. To add data to a segment, position the cursor at the desired location within the segment. Next, click on the data icon. A drop-down menu containing available data options will appear. From the drop-down menu, select the desired data that you want to include in the segment. To clone a segment, simply click the Clone button, and an exact copy of it will be generated. If you wish to create a new version of the segment with different wording, you can utilize the AI paraphrasing feature. Clicking the AI paraphrasing button will initiate the AI paraphrasing model, which will use the original segment as a foundation to generate a paraphrased version of it. This allows you to quickly generate alternative versions of the segment, providing more diversity within the content. To add a new segment, click on the designated button. This action will instantly create an empty segment. Add code. This option provides you with the ability to add or write HTML and JavaScript code. Thus, you can incorporate custom HTML elements, styles, and interactive functionalities within your content. By converting the segment into a generative AI prompt through the AI button, the text becomes input for a generative AI model. Instead of being displayed as regular text, the model interprets the prompt and renders an output based on it. This functionality offers great versatility and usefulness in various scenarios. For instance, it can be particularly beneficial when aiming to enhance the readability of a segment that contains repetitive data. Consider the following segment with readability issues. However, by transforming the segment into an AI prompt and providing simple direction in the form of a prompt, you can significantly improve the sentence's readability. Here is the improved output of the segment. To introduce more variability to segments, you can incorporate valid synonyms for words. This can be done manually or with the assistance of the platform's AI capabilities. To add synonyms, select a word and right-click on it. From the menu that appears, choose the AI Synonyms option. The AI model will then suggest 5 alternative synonyms for the selected word. You have the option to accept the suggested synonyms or delete them. Additionally, you can write in your own synonyms if desired. After adding synonyms to a word, you will notice that an icon with the letter S appears next to the word. This icon signifies that synonyms have been associated with the word. Data formatting. To add formatting, click on the data point and a TT symbol will populate. Click it again and the formatting menu will appear. Once a formatting style has been applied to a data element, you will observe the appearance of an icon in the shape of a TT next to that particular data point. This TT icon serves as a visual indication that a formatting style has been assigned to the data. You can apply the date format to specific data points if their data type is either date, date time, or time. This format option allows you to customize the display of dates and times according to your language and regional properties of the project. Here's a tip. Use H to denote the 12-hour format for the time representation. Use the uppercase H to denote the 24-hour format for time representation. To add AM or PM to the time, include A in the format. Number formatting. If the data type of a specific data point is a number, you will have the option to apply number formatting. Text formatting. When the data type of a specific data point is a string of text, you can utilize the text formatting option. To remove formatting from a specific string of text, simply click on the TT icon located next to the formatted text. A drop-down menu will appear, providing various options. From the drop-down menu, click the Clear Formatting option. This action will remove all the applied formatting styles.